Welcome back to M-Files Process Maps. In this session we will go over the text options within your shapes and the functionality of the Shapes library. You will learn how to reuse your shapes and format different text objects. Create text objects by using the toolbar on the top. You will find a text object with a border and one without. The objects can be added to the canvas by selecting either of the buttons and clicking the left mouse button on the canvas, or by dragging a shape to the canvas by holding the left mouse button down. After creating any shape, you can double-click it to add a text. We call them labels, and an inline context menu will appear that allows you to change the text format, color, alignment, or add bullet points to your text. This also works with lines. Simply double-click the line to add text. In the toolbar you can access the drop-down menus Font Format or Label Format to change the position, color, font size, and type of your text and label. Please make sure that you select the right text element prior to assigning the formatting. You can select multiple text objects using the rubber band or shift-click selection and change their font format simultaneously. The blue ports can be used to change the size of a text object so that the content fits better through a text wrap. You can use the Wordwrap or limit height functionality to adjust your text box to the format of a shape. Please make sure to toggle these options if you want to fit in large texts to small shapes. When you create a new text object, the option Wordwrap is switched on by default, so that the text will be adjusted to the width of the frame. If you also set the option Limit Height, then the text will be truncated so that it fits to the shape of the frame. While editing large texts, it could be helpful to use inline edits to format only parts of the text. Double-click to enter edit mode, then hold the left mouse button and drag to mark text elements. The inline text menu will appear to assist you in formatting the text. On the right side of the screen, you will find the shape library with standard shapes like callouts, arrows, triangles, rectangles, and stars. From here you can easily add new elements by dragging and dropping them to the canvas. Every class of shapes has special attributes. For example, with callouts and brackets, you can draw comments and change the appearance of the shape by dragging the green port. Arrow shapes are good to symbolize strong connections. All these shapes can be used as templates for new elements on your canvas. Please remember that you can use the Edit Polyline option to change the appearance of a standard shape at any time. For more info on how to customize your shapes, you can watch the previous video about the basics of drawing in M-Files process maps. Shapes and labels can be fed with metadata and other values that are dynamically generated. We will take a look at this in later videos of this series.